This is Tecno's brand new entry-level offering, the Tecno Pova Neo. For just under 6,000 pesos, this device has competitive features such as a larger screen, a massive battery size, and a great performance for its price range. Now it's time to unbox and take a closer look at this brand new affordable phone from Tecno. Starting with the box, you get this sleek silver packaging with some Tecno branding on the front and both sides, while on the back you can see more details about the device. Inside the box, you get the phone, important papers, a free jelly case, SIM ejector pin, an 18-watt charger, a micro USB cable, and a pair of wired earphones. Now let's go over the phone. The Tecno Pova Neo comes in a very sleek gradient design in the color Geek Blue with a fun textured finish. And for its price, napakaganda and simple talaga ng design nito, guys. Sobrang bet ko talaga yung gradient color. On the rear, you can see some Tecno branding on the lower left, while the fingerprint scanner and camera module are located on the upper left corner. For buttons and ports, you can find the power button and volume rocker on the right side, while the 3-card slot is located on the left. On the bottom, you can spot the 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, micro USB charging port, and speaker grill. And I have to say, it's been a while since I last saw a micro USB charging port, but hey, its other features make up for it. For display, the Tecno Pova Neo has a massive 6.8-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 720 by 1640 resolution and 480 nits of brightness. It may not be as bright for outdoor use, but overall, I really enjoyed watching everyday YouTube, TikTok, and other video content on this phone. It really has a vibrant display with solid, vivid colors. Plus, it has a 60Hz refresh rate, making it a solid device for smooth scrolling for everyday media consumption. For the specs, this phone sports a MediaTek Helio G25 processor with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable via micro SD card. And it runs on Helio 7.6 based off Android 11 with a 4G LTE connectivity. Now for its performance, the Pova Neo muscles through everyday tasks with no issues at all. I experienced no stutters while browsing through social media, and its overall interface was actually pretty smooth, showing how Tecno's Helios is greatly optimized. For gaming naman, we have yet to try out our favorite games on this, so wala pa kaming benchmarks for its performance. So you guys have to stay tuned for our full review. For the cameras, this phone is equipped with a 13-megapixel f1.8 main lens, along with an AI camera and an LED flash, while on the front it has an 8-megapixel f2.0 selfie camera housed in a dewdrop notch. For camera settings, it has a slow motion mode, video, AI cam, beauty, portrait, AR shot, panorama, documents, and time-lapse. And so far, the photos came out really well, especially in good optimal lighting conditions. Colors came out bright and punchy, which is good for social media content. Though napansin ko lang na medyo soft yung details when I zoomed in, especially in low light conditions. But the good thing here is that even in low light, the close-up shots on some of these toy models that we took still looked amazing with almost little to no grain. Now, the 8-megapixel front camera did pretty alright. Skin tone colors were decent, details were pretty sharp, and I'd say this is good for posting selfies on the gram. For videos, this phone can shoot in full HD with 30 FPS. And I noticed that it has some video stability, which is great for quick vlogs or short IG stories. Overall, the cameras on the Tecno Pova Neo are really impressive for its price. Powering this phone is a massive 6,000 mAh battery with an 18-watt charging capability. And so far, we'll have to check its battery life with our battery test in our full review. So guys, abangan nyo yan. Overall, the Tecno Pova Neo proves to be a great all-arounder. It delivers decent camera performance with a massive screen perfect for viewing content, along with an optimized software that can surely help you with simple everyday tasks. But hey, now that this phone is out of the box, we have yet to test out its full performance. So like I said, stay tuned for our full review. And once again, this was me, Elle, and I'll see you guys in the next one.